Are you changing baby's diaper? Yeah.
Don't go.
Is that where the dirty diapers go?
Babies.
Yeah.
Babies.
We need to find a clean diaper for baby. Oh, who was in there? Puppy. Neighbor.
Babies. 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 Babies.
There's baby's clean diaper, huh?
Less.
Yeah.
Less.
Now it needs to be washed?
Oh.
You can put it in that red bag and then it will be washed. Or are you going to take it to the bathroom to be washed?
Oh.
Whichever you want.
Less.
Wash.
Less. Less.